Here, King Dashrath sits on his throne, surrounded by his three queens, Kaushalya, Sumitra, and Ketu. Ram is summoned to the court, unaware of the impending needs. Coaches and nobles stand in the remnants, their faces etched with concern.
My son, please come forward.
Yes, Father. You summoned me?
My son, I have a promise to fulfill. Long ago, I have granted 2 boons to Queen Kaikeyi. She has now come to claim.
What are these boons, Father?
The first boon is that Bharat be crowned as the king of Ayodhya. And the second is that you, Ram, be sent into exile in the forest for 14 years.
As you wish, Mother. I shall honor the boons my father has promised.
No, no, my son. This is unfair. How can we let you go to exile? We cannot bear the thought of you wandering in the wilderness, facing unknown danger and hardship. Stay, my child, for the sake of your parents, your people, and your own future. Let us find another way to resolve it.
Mother, it is my duty to uphold Father's words. I cannot do otherwise.
Ram, Ram, you are the light of this kingdom. How will Ayodhya fare without you? If you leave, Ayodhya will be plunged into darkness. We cannot bear the thought of you away from our eyes.
Mother, Ayodhya will be well under Bharat's rule. My absence will only be temporary.
If you go, my lord, I will go with you. A wife's place is beside her husband, through joy and sorrow alike.
Sita, the forest is no place for a princess. It will be harsh and unforgiving.
My lord, where you go, I shall go with you. My life is bound to yours, and I will not be separated from you.
Brother, I too will accompany you. My place is by your side to serve and protect you. Lakshman, are you going to break the heart of your mother completely?
Lakshman, your loyalty is unmatched. But you must stay and support Bharat in Ayodhya.
No, brother. My heart and my duty lie with you. I will not be swayed.
Mother, your words pierce my heart with sorrow. How can you demand that I take the throne while my beloved brother Ram is sent into exile? The throne holds no honor for me if it comes at the cost of such injustice. Your insistence on this grievous path wounds me deeply, and I cannot fathom how you, my mother, could cause such division in our family. Brother, I know nothing of this. Please forgive my mother's actions. I cannot take the throne that belongs to you.
Bharat, there is nothing to forgive. We will be a just and noble king. This is our destiny.
If you must go, then give me something to remember you by. Let me have your sandals. I will place them on the throne and rule as your proxy until your return. Take these, Bharat. Rule with wisdom and righteousness as you always would. Jai Shri Ram! Jai Shri Ram! Jai Shri Ram! Prince Ram, your noble spirit and sacrifice for the honor of your kingdom will be remembered for ages. May the gods
Father, there is no need for forgiveness. I leave with a heart full of love and duty for my people and my family.
Ram, I did not foresee the pain this would cause. Forgive me if you can.
Mother, there is nothing to forgive. Your wish will be honored. I shall go to the forest, but know that my love and respect for you remain unchanged.
The scene ends with Ram, Sita and Lakshman preparing to leave the palace. The courtiers continue to chant,
Jai Shri Ram! Jai Shri Ram! Jai Shri Ram!
as the trio walks towards their destiny, their hearts heavy with sorrow and determination.
Ram, my boy, you handle bad news better than most people handle good news. Off to the forest we go. Think of it as an extended camping trip. Sarva Shanik, Kimascharya. Arthat, everything is momentary. What a wonder. Kai, you're playing with fire. Just remember, when you play with fire, it's not just the forest that burns. Narayana,
मैनू विदा करो, मैनू विदा करो जी, अब विदा करो मेरे यारा। मैनू विदा करो, मैनू विदा करो जी, मैंने जाना है उस पार। तुम सभी साफ सही हूँ मटमैला मैं, तुम सभी पाक मगर पाप का दरिया मैनू विदा करो, मैनू विदा करो जी, अब विदा करो मेरे यार।
In the palace of Ayodhya, shadows fall. Our beloved Ram, his duties call. With heavy hearts, we bid him farewell. In our hearts forever, his legend will dwell. Sita